Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, welcome back.
And if it's the first time, welcome. I'm Marco.
I'm Sheila.
And we are an Italian-Nigerian couple living in
Denmark.
So we paused a little bit our channel because Sheila was pregnant and the last months of the pregnancy were very tough. And we had also a critical delivery, so we needed some time to recover, especially my wife. But everything is fine now. The little baby, she's very good. And also the mother is recovering. So we can say that we are officially
back.
Good. So today actually is my birthday. Yes. And my lovely wife organized a surprise for me in Copenhagen.
Yeah.
But I have no idea what we are going to do.
Surprise, surprise.
She didn't tell me anything. So you will find out at the same time as me what all this surprise is about. See you in Copenhagen and let's go.
Ciao.
Here we are in Copenhagen. The street is Farvergade, something like that. We don't know Danish, so I don't know if the pronunciation is good. But we are here, the place should be closed. I have a little bit of a clue here. A little card from Sheila. And let's see what is this all about.
Yeah, so you have to open it first because you get
Let's see.
Where we are going to.
It's your birthday. It is. Okay, so I'm gonna translate because obviously it's in Italian, but it's happy birthday, my love. This first birthday with our special baby, it makes all and everything more special. Thanks for being here always. A little bit of noise. Sorry, there was a little bit of a fight in the street. Strange for Copenhagen, but it is what it is. Today we will create a candle together. So happy birthday, my love. This first birthday with our little kid is making everything more special. Thanks for always being there. Today we will create a candle together, but in reality what we are really making is to make another small memory to add to our beautiful story. Okay, this is difficult to translate, but basically it says it's a small moment to guard together. Your love, your princess, I would say my queen. I love you. I love you too.
But Marco, reading, you didn't realize that we have already reached the place.
Ah, is that one? Create your own scented candle.
I thought we were already one inside.
No.
I told them, but there's some people.
That's fine.
So let's go and enjoy this experience.
In typical Danish hygge style, as the sign mentioned.
Yeah. So,
that's it.
Catch you.
Have you been here before?
No, first time.
First, congratulations.
Thank you.
Do you know what that means?
What, the flag or?
Yes.
Yeah, no, it's a Danish flag, no?
Yeah, but in Denmark we used like a symbol of celebration. So
Ah, okay.
it's like when you see a flag on the table, it means someone has a birthday or some anniversary.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
something like, I don't know, balloons in some countries. So,
And you use the flag.
yes,
Okay,
I
good.
don't know, people use a flag.
Interesting.
Yeah, it means so when we do this, like, also you can see on our website, it's a Danish flag, and some
Okay.
people just do not understand. I guess you are traveling in Copenhagen.
No, we live in Denmark.
You live in-
Yeah, but
but
on the
probably-
Funa Island.
Yeah, probably you know it already.
But we are here like from November, so.
Okay, you're.
It's quite new for us.
Yeah. Okay, now you know.
Then, yeah, we are
So-
discovering
Yeah.
little by little.
Yeah, are you from
Italy,
Italy?
but we
Nice.
moved from UK.
Okay.
We are traveling the world,
Okay,
basically.
you're international.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a lot of people here like you.
Okay.
In
Good.
Copenhagen, especially. Yeah. So first, what we have to do is fill up all these lines. It's like ID for your countries, your name, some verification information, date, and candle name. It's something what we are printing on a candle. It's something what have to give you good vibes, make you smile. Something personal.
Ah, so it's 2 candles. 1 for each. So we need to choose the container or exclusive. Can we choose exclusive container?
So and after, when you have a time to think about name. Just
But the essence name is
it means candle.
Okay.
Essence because we also have diffuser.
okay,
Yes, we are printing this on candle with stickers.
and we can choose
Yes.
whatever we like.
No, in your package is included 2 classical candles, and you can choose a color. Over there is 4 colors: amber, white, black, and glass.
Okay,
So you can choose one of these.
I'll show you. No, we have to write it down first. So these are the options: amber, white, black, and glass. And then we need to choose between all these essence. So we need to select 10, and then they will bring them, or we go there. We will smell it, and then we will decide to make the candle. So let's toast to this birthday. Thank you, my love, for this wonderful surprise. Very good mocktail. We chose the 10 essence, and now let's go and smell them. It takes 2 hours to find them. Here it is. Chocolate ganache. Smell this. It's like feeling the chocolate, eating the chocolate. Okay, I've got them. Chocolate ganache, santal exotique, and ginger and lemongrass. Okay, so I go with chocolate ganache, santal exotique, and ginger and lemongrass.
Oh, okay.
Let's see how it's turned out.
Yeah, let's try. We have 2 layers, so just one put here. It's very unusual composition, I have to say. But let's try.
Let's see.
See what we have.
Okay. Coconut water.
Yeah.
Rosemary ice cream.
Yes.
And African tomato.
Okay, also very unusual. Yes. Ice cream. Nice.
So either it's better that we not create our candle, or maybe we open our candle shop.
Yeah.
Unusual birthday, right?
Very unusual birthday. Very unusual birthday.
Only your wife.
You know what are these?
Yeah, it's to clean your. Very powerful.
You can feel that is from
Yeah.
male. Yours is very,
Mine is,
very sweet.
I think it's gonna be. The environment's gonna smell quite.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And you have to pull the soil inside flags very quick, like one shot. Yes.
The candle. But do we need to move this in the middle, or?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Don't worry. I have a tool for this.
Okay, let's do it. One shot.
In the middle.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Drums.
My turn now.
Congratulations with your first sunset candle.
Thank you very much. Okay, so experience done. Little problem with the baby. She started crying. Funny thing is that we come out from the place without the candles because it needed some days 3 days to produce. No, the day after. So we'll have to go back to Copenhagen, but we will do it because we are also celebrating in a few days our anniversary.
Yeah.
Marriage anniversary, so it's been interesting experience. We learned something, how to make a candle, and especially that when in Denmark you celebrate something, you put the flag. Very good. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.